Thanks for joining us on NDTV 24/7. I'm Bani Singh Chadha. Today, the Prime Minister has announced an 80,000 crore package for Jammu and Kashmir and said this is just the beginning. The Prime Minister was addressing a rally at the Sher-e-Kashmir Cricket Stadium today in what is the Prime Minister's first visit to the state after the PDP-BJP coalition came to power. The Prime Minister talked about his love for Kashmir.
अच्छी शिक्षा, ह्यूमन रिसोर्स डेवलपमेंट के लिए बल, बुजुर्गों के लिए स्वास्थ्य के लिए व्यवस्थाएं ताकि उनकी आवश्यकताएं पूरी हो, गांव और किसान के लिए यहां की जो पैदावार है उसको बल, नौजवान को रोजगार के लिए अवसर, इन बातों को लेकर के हम चल रहे हैं और उस सपने को पूरा करने के लिए भारत सरकार ने जम्मू कश्मीर के लिए 80,000 करोड़ रुपया का पैकेज देने का घोषित किया। इसी धरती पर, इसी मंच पर अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी जी ने जो बात कही थी, इससे बड़ा कोई संदेश नहीं हो सकता। उन्होंने 3 मंत्र दिए थे। उन्होंने कहा था कश्मीरियत, जमहूरियत और इंसानियत। मैं उस विश्वास को लेकर के निकला हूं कि मेरा कश्मीर फिर से एक बार वही जन्नत, वही जज्बा, वही खुशहाली, वो दिन मैं अपनी आंखों के सामने देख रहा हूं। इस जमहूरियत की कसौटी पर वाजपेयी जी ने जो सपना देखा था, कश्मीर के लोगों ने पूरा करके दिया है और इसलिए मैं उस महापुरुष के शब्दों के लिए आज कश्मीर के मेरे लाखों भाइयों बहनों को शत शत नमन करता हूं। मैं उनका अभिनंदन करता हूं। उन्होंने जमहूरियत को यह ताकत दी है और इसलिए मैं कहता हूं कश्मीर ने बहुत कुछ झेला है, अनेक संकटों से गुजरा है। 2 पीढ़ी उन नौजवानों के सपने चूर चूर हो चुके हैं।
The Prime Minister also went back in time, talking about 30 years ago when a match was played at that stadium and questioning why there shouldn't be an international cricket match. The Prime Minister also talked about Sachin Tendulkar's chakkas and how that bat that he plays from was made here in Kashmir.
जिस प्रदेश के पास परवेज रसूल हो, उस प्रदेश में यहां एक इंटरनेशनल मैच क्यों नहीं होना चाहिए? क्रिकेट में हमारा परवेज नाम कमा रहा, आगे बढ़ रहा है वो लड़का, गर्व होता है हमें। क्यों इसी स्टेडियम में हम वो सपना क्यों न देखें कि यहीं पर फिर से एक बार इंटरनेशनल क्रिकेट मैच शुरू हो जाए।
All right, Naseer Masudi now joining us from Srinagar for more on that. Naseer, the Prime Minister certainly didn't disappoint today, an 80,000 crore package for the people there.
Well, a huge package in a sense, but one has to break it in the different area where government is going to spend it. For example, it is about 34,000 crore rupees for the already existing projects on Srinagar-Jammu National Highway or the Zawjila Tunnel that would connect Kashmir Valley with the Ladakh. Yes, of course, people were very happy when they heard about the about 80,000 crore rupees, but have been disappointed largely when it comes to the political aspect of the problem. PDP was hoping that besides the economic package, there would be some political package. In fact, Mufti Muhammad Saeed in his address talked about Vajpayee's initiative from this ground in 2003, which ensured peace for 10 years. He said it was that initiative from this ground by Vajpayee that led to peace for 10 years between India and Pakistan. He talked about, his initiatives engaging with separatists and the separatist rule as well. But when Mr. Modi spoke, he didn't refer to Pakistan or, renewing the peace process or engaging Kashmiri separatists. That would certainly be a disappointment for the PDP. They were hoping that it would not just be about the economics, but it would also more about the politics, because they were hoping that Modi will do what Vajpayee did when Mr. Modi referred to Vajpayee's Kashmiriyat, Insaniyat and Jamhuriyat, but he has his own interpretation Here they were hoping that this will be renewal of dialogue, engaging Kashmiri separatists, and some move forward with regard to talks with Pakistan as well. But largely people who are here, they were very happy when Mr. Modi announced about the economic package of 80,000 crore rupees. He talked about the this how it is becoming difficult for people to travel to Jammu, which takes 10 to 12 hours. Now after this highway is constructed, it will just the travel time will come down to just 3 to 4 hours. Similarly, he referred to Parvez Rasool, and people were very happy about that, and also talked about youth empowerment, giving employment to people, and all those issues which concern the common man. But the big thing is no major political announcement in a sense where people would have PDP and other political groups were expecting. But certainly outside the ground, there was different situation. There was complete clampdown, curfew-like restrictions in other parts of the valley, and all those people who came here were having the special passes who were mobilized for last 2 weeks by PDP, BJP and People's Conference.